2148 Sunswept. Jason, the photographer, just left. It might be hard for you to tell, but the blinds are hung there. The dryer no longer wobbles. So I was trying to shake it right there. You could probably see it didn't wobble. Those are stains, or not stains, but that can't be cleaned. Same here. Okay. And as John mentioned, he will have someone quote the windows. The master blinds cannot be trimmed. It's a new type of safety feature. The carpet is going to be done tomorrow at noon, I believe. Okay, that's it. Because John is going to fix the blind that has the missing wand. So yep, that's all of the elements addressed from Jenny's walkthrough.